We're here at the Fintech Forum in Latvia, the beautiful city of Riga. The place is booming, is buzzing with excitement and innovation. And I'm delighted to be joined by Esge from
Esge Banking Solutions.
Yeah. Esge, you're a Danish-born, Danish company. Why are you here?
I think the Baltics is a super interesting region for us. I think there are very close connections between the banking scene in the Nordics and of course the Baltics. We only recently really engaged with the market here and the banks. And there are so many dynamics going on. They are super interested to learn about new trends and challenge or share about challenges in the market. And we very much engage the banks right now to explore with them how we can really help them build the greater potential for them.
Okay, what is it specifically about the EQ Risk's value proposition that is perhaps getting traction here in the Latvian market?
I think if you over the last 10-15 years, banks have really have a lot more data. You just moderated a session in here about AI. So I think the amount of data that is available for the banks has grown tremendously.
Yeah.
At the same time, the banks are not really leveraging the full potential of that data today, which is a bit of a shame. And if you think about it, relationship managers in their role in a traditional bank, they don't really have access to all that data and the insights that data can bring. So what we help the banks with is essentially securing this link between the management, risk appetite, the strategy, and then the execution of that in the front line. So bringing insights to the relationship managers about profitability. Are we profitable doing the business? Not only are we making income from the loan, the credit, the other services, other income we have from pension, whatever. We really secure that link by guiding the relationship manager with data and sharing with them whether they're profitable or not in the business.
Right. So tell me why is it important for EQ Risk to be present in events like this? Because we had Nordic Week recently in Copenhagen.
Yeah.
We're there. What's the most valuable thing that you get from this type of session?
I think obviously being a fintech scale up, we are growing out of Denmark. We have 4,200 plus banking professionals using our platform day to day, but we are a small player in the bigger scheme of things. So for us, it's super important to be present and be in the local market, regional markets. And therefore, we are excited to be joining this event today. It's an opportunity for us to basically get some exposure on the what, the why, and of course the how we help banks and service banks today.
Yeah. Right, and we've had some fantastic sessions this morning. What's been your key takeaways so far?
I think the one of the sessions that I found really interesting was actually the session that you then moderated, and not to pat your back too much, but I think it was really interesting about the use of data and particularly how can we leverage data smarter, and of course the applicants of AI is a big topic these days, whether it's on predictive analytics or it's in coding as well. And you brought some really interesting themes about regulation really coming in here, ethical AI, and some of the pitfalls around that ethical AI can bring unethical results, right?
Yeah.
So, but also that too much regulation in this early stage of AI and how we see everything buzzing right now can also kill the dynamics that we need to for banks to unleash the potential and really securing this greater efficiency on how we work and ultimately how we service the customers better, because the customers is data is king, but the customers' trust is probably the biggest asset of the banks.
I couldn't agree more.
Yeah.
I couldn't agree more. Basically, well, it's great seeing you here. And, I guess this won't be the last we'll see of you.
It will not. We will be around Brazil, Singapore, the Seamless Europe next week. So a lot of interesting events coming up.
I think we should be following you around the world.
Hopefully.
Yes, hopefully.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I appreciate it. Thank you.
Okay.